we're seeing that patients are actually significantly sicker and much sooner than they were with the original variant.
And the vast majority of patients becoming infected and hospitalized with COVID are unvaccinated. But over the last couple of months, the number of breakthrough infections, people who are vaccinated but still become infected, has increased. Here in Maryland, in June, just 5% of new cases were vaccinated people, compared to 27% in August, with nearly the same increase in patients who are hospitalized.
It is a combination of, the time since vaccination and, a variant that requires higher levels of antibodies to protect us. That's probably creating, this situation where we're seeing more breakthrough infections.
Dr. William Moss says those who are older or immune compromised are more likely to have a breakthrough infection. He says those infected do get a boost in antibodies, but the FDA will have to decide if those folks still need a booster shot.
I would be surprised if they say people who've been infected, after being vaccinated do not need booster doses. But I can understand the argument. Those people's immune systems have been boosted by an additional exposure to the virus.
Moss says those who get breakthrough infections can still spread the virus, but are less contagious than the unvaccinated.
What happens with the vaccinated individual is, though, because their immune system has been trained, they clear that virus more quickly. So they're going to be infectious for a shorter period of time.
And those who are vaccinated will have milder symptoms and are less likely to be hospitalized or die. Dr. Kinjal Sheth, director of critical care at Northwest Hospital, says many of their patients who are unvaccinated ask for the vaccine, but it's too late.
One person, before we put her on a life support machine, she told me, make sure my husband gets vaccinated.
Health officials say the best thing you can do, vaccinated or not, is continue to be careful by wearing masks indoors, washing your hands, and socially distancing. Reporting live downtown, Kim Dacey, WBAL TV 11 News.